Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic guidance as feedback devices in education and its forms. Let us try to understand the guidance as feedback devices in education. Guidance as feedback devices plays a pivotal role in the educational landscape, shaping the learning experience and facilitating continuous improvement. This comprehensive discussion explores the significance of guidance as feedback devices, elucidating their various forms and the impact they have on student development. Here are some key aspects of using guidance as feedback devices in education. 1. Formative feedback. Guidance serves as a form of formative feedback when provided in a timely manner. Regular and prompt feedback helps learners understand their progress, identify strengths, and address areas that need improvement. 2. Clarification and explanation. Guidance can be used to clarify concepts, ensuring that learners have a solid understanding of the material. This type of feedback helps address misconceptions and promotes deeper learning. 3. Goal alignment. Effective guidance should align with the learning objectives and goals of the educational program. This ensures that feedback is constructive and contributes to the overall educational outcomes. 4. Motivation and encouragement. Guidance can serve as positive reinforcement, acknowledging and praising learners for their achievements. Positive feedback can motivate students, fostering a positive attitude towards learning. 5. Self-reflection. Guidance should encourage self-reflection. This helps learners assess their own work critically, identify areas for improvement, and take an active role in their own learning process. 6. Customization and personalization. Guidance should be personalized, taking into account the individual needs and learning styles of students. Customized feedback is more likely to be effective in addressing specific challenges and promoting growth. 7. Peer feedback. In addition to teacher guidance, peer feedback can be valuable. Peer evaluation encourages collaboration, communication skills, and a sense of shared responsibility for learning. 8. Continuous improvement. Guidance should be part of an iterative process, allowing students to make revisions and improvements based on initial feedback. This iterative cycle supports continuous improvement. 9. Technology integration. Utilizing technology can enhance the feedback process. Online platforms, grading software, and other digital tools can provide efficient and detailed feedback, allowing for a more streamlined and effective guidance system. Let us now try to understand various forms of guidance as feedback devices. 1. Portfolios. Portfolios are a versatile feedback device that allows students to compile and showcase their work, accomplishments, and reflections over time. Guidance in portfolio creation involves providing clear criteria for selection, organization, and reflection. For example, a high school student's portfolio might include essays, projects, and artwork, accompanied by reflective pieces that connect each artifact to specific learning outcomes. Educators offer guidance on the depth of reflection, ensuring students understand the significance of their work in the context of their learning journey. 2. Reflective journals. Reflective journals serve as personal repositories of thoughts, experiences, and insights. Guidance in this context revolves around prompts that encourage critical reflection. For instance, in a literature class, students maintain reflective journals after reading novels. Educators guide them with prompts that explore character motivations, thematic elements, and personal connections. Assessment focuses on the depth of reflection, clarity of expression, and the evolution of insights over time. 3. Field engagement using rubrics. Engaging in real-world experiences, such as field trips or projects, is integral to practical learning. Guidance is provided through the use of rubrics that outline expectations and evaluation criteria. An example could be a science project where students investigate local ecosystems. The rubric assesses not only the scientific accuracy of their findings but also their ability to collaborate, communicate, and present information effectively. This guidance ensures a comprehensive evaluation of both process and outcomes. 4. Competency-based evaluation. Competency-based evaluation focuses on assessing specific skills and abilities. Guidance involves clearly defining competencies and establishing criteria for evaluation. In a language learning context, students may be assessed based on their ability to effectively communicate in the target language. Guidance includes setting benchmarks for vocabulary usage, grammatical accuracy, and overall communication skills. Regular feedback helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement, promoting targeted skill development. 5. Assessment of teacher-prepared ICT resources. As technology integration becomes commonplace, evaluating teacher-prepared ICT resources is essential. Guidance includes assessing the relevance, clarity, and interactivity of digital materials. For example, in a history class, a teacher might use an interactive online simulation. Feedback is provided on the effectiveness of the simulation in enhancing understanding, engagement, and alignment with curriculum objectives. The iterative process involves continuous refinement based on feedback from both educators and students. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.